Imagine going to sleep, waking up, and finding that your AI workflow has already finished the work you gave it. That's the promise of AI automation. But you don't need some massive enterprise system to get started. In this video, I will show you the basic setup and what you need to get an automation running reliably. Step 1. Start with one repetitive task. Don't automate your entire business on day one. Pick one task you already repeat. Maybe it's summarizing incoming information, organizing data, generating a report, or monitoring something and notifying you when it changes. The best automation targets are predictable tasks with clear input and output. Next, connect the pieces. A useful AI automation usually has a few basic components. You have a trigger, then the workflow collects information, the AI processes that information, and finally, another action happens. For example, trigger, collect data, then AI analysis, then generating results, and of course, sending notification. That's the basic pattern here. Next, give the AI clear instructions. Don't just tell the AI analyze this, do that. Define what you want it to look for, what format the result should use, and what it should do when information is missing. The clearer the instructions, the less cleanup you'll need later. Next, add a safety check. This part is important. If your automation can send emails, modify records, publish content, or perform other actions, you don't give it unlimited freedom immediately. Start with human approval. Once you've tested the workflow and you're confident it's reliable, you can automate more of the process. Next, test it before you sleep. Run the workflow manually several times. Test normal inputs. Then deliberately give it something unexpected. See what happens when the data is missing. The AI produces an unusual answer or an external service fails. So you don't need a complicated AI system to start something or to start automating, Pick one repetitive task, connect the trigger, AI in action, test it thoroughly, and gradually remove the manual setup or manual steps. That's how you build an automation you can actually trust to run while you're asleep.